to work bag. So today I'm going to unwrap both of this. These are both of the same item. These are the Paintless Dent removable repair tool, tap down pen. Come with the 9 heads for use with the truck, car repair. So by the way, I was purchasing on eBay, and at first I thought this one was cheap for the $9.99, and later on I found out that the similar item is $6.86. So this one with the tax is $10.86, and with the tax on this one is $7.46. So with the more expensive, you get the bubble envelope wrap versus this one. This is just a poly bag. So I'm just going to open both of this and see if the materials are the same. So yeah, I purchased this with my own money, so it's not sponsored by any of this company. So this is like a aluminum alloy, and come with this, I think those are plastic tap down tips. So you got the rounded flat or perfect flat, and you got the bigger one. And then you got the round. This is like a bullet. Or maybe this one. Yeah, so all you need to do is just screw this on and then tap it down. Use a hammer to tap it down. So let's go and then check out the cheap one, see if it's the same material, because in the picture it looks exactly the same. So alright, so the cheap one doesn't come with this extra zip bag for the plastic tips. So yeah, basically it's the same. Oh, maybe not. The screw is different. This one's like a thinner right there, and this is just a straight flat fat. So yeah, I'm not sure which one's gonna last longer and stuff, so. But this one is the same. Well, not really. This one has two of this, And this one has 3. Let me see if I can screw this in. So you can still screw this in, no problem. So just the texture is different on this. So the color on this one seems a little bit darker. Is it? Yeah. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button or turn on the bell for notification. And drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Like always. Peace.